Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone, my name is Muhammad Jihadul Hairi Rizki and I would be happy to present my research proposal today to be discussing with you. This presentation will include the discussion of the title, the background of study, as well the purpose of study, observation, and interviews. But first of all, I need to say thanks a lot to Mrs. Maisuro for giving me chance to deliver my research proposal. So, let's go to the point.
My title is Digital Literacy and English Language Learning: How EFL Students Leverage TikTok for Foreign Language Acquisition. In this title, there are two variables included in the title. There are the independent variables and the dependent variables. The independent variables are digital literacy and the use of TikTok. Digital literacy reflects student ability to use digital technology and social media effectively, including in utilizing TikTok as a learning medium. TikTok as an independent variable serves as a tool that facilitates student access to interactive and engaging English content. Meanwhile, the dependent variables are English language learning and foreign language acquisition. This variable measures the impact of TikTok use on student skill in learning English, such as speaking, listening, reading, and writing. The relationship between these two variables is the core of the study, where we want to find out the extent to which digital literacy and TikTok are variable to improve student language acquisition. Okay, next to the content of my research. In my research, there are three content including in my research. The first one is chapter 1, including background of study, purpose of the study, and chapter 2 relate literature and research question, and the chapter 3 research design, research setting, participant, data collection, and data analysis. Let's move to the chapter 1. In the chapter 1, there is a background of study. The background of study is about digital literacy and TikTok. In fact, TikTok has moved from being just an entertainment platform to an effective learning resource. As Bahri et al. 2022 highlight, its popularity among young people allows them to gain concise and easily accessible knowledge through engaging video content. And All-Stars 2021 also state that one of the social media that is often used in the TikTok social media, because the result of the survey that circulate, most students have the TikTok application because it is the most frequently viewed and used social media, because that it what makes young people more interested in using TikTok than other platforms. And the second one is purpose of the study. In the purpose of study, the study aims at to investigate the role of TikTok as a digital platform in supporting EFL student language learning journey. Specifically, it focuses on two main objectives. The first one is to identify how EFL students are using TikTok to learn English, and the second one is to analyze the impact of TikTok on student English skill. Let's jump to the chapter 2. In the chapter 2, the first point is related literature. There are two theories related with my research. The first one is research by Nurul Hasanah 2022, conducted a classroom action research on using TikTok as a learning medium to improve English learning outcomes for grade 7A students at SMPN 2 Gempol. The study showed a significant improvement in student performance, with the percentage of students exceeding the minimum completeness criteria, rising from 12% to 22%, and those who did not complete decreasing from 50% to 25%. The different previous research and my research is the previous research used quantitative, while researchers after that will use the qualitative research method, namely case studies to find out student views regarding the application. The second one is the research by Yopita and Ine Rahayu Purnamaningsih 2022, conducted research on the use of TikTok application as an innovative learning medium to help students acquire foreign language, especially English. The study found that TikTok has a positive impact on increasing student motivation, adding material understanding to visual and providing fun and flexible learning, with short videos that can be repeatedly watched for effective material reinforcement. Same like before, the difference of previous research and my research is researcher only use the literature study research method, which only examines documents and files, while researcher after that will use case studies. Okay, next to the second one is research question. In research question, in line with the objectives of this study, the following research questions were formulated. The first one is, how do EFL students use TikTok in learning English? And the second one is, what the impact does TikTok have on EFL student English language skill? Okay, we jump to the chapter 3. Okay, the first point in the chapter 3 is research design. This study explored how EFL students use TikTok to learn English and its impact on language acquisition. A qualitative case study was chosen to understand student experience and strategies in real-life context. Focusing on how TikTok enhanced their language skill, this approach provides a comprehensive view of the role of digital literacy and social media in language learning. The second point is setting and the participant. This research was conducted at Madrasah Aliyah Muallimin NWDI Pancor in East Lombok, chosen for its active EFL students using TikTok for learning and good facilities. 10 EFL students were selected using purposive sampling based on their understanding of digital literacy and active TikTok use to practice in individual interviews. Okay, next to the data collection. In this research, data collection involved interviews, observation, and documentation. Semi-structured interviews explore student experience with TikTok, while observation and documentation, videos, note segment provide additional insight and ensure data validity. The last one is the data analysis. In my research, the data obtained through interviews and observation were analyzed using the thematic analysis method with manual coding. The coding process began with the determination of the theme. Okay, it's enough for me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.